Hi, I am Sonia. Welcome to our Buyfave marketing channel. Today I am going to show you step by step how you can extract email address for your email marketing, how to extract unlimited targeted email address for email list database, how to use Google search to collect unlimited targeted email address and find unlimited targeted email address. Step by step learn how to discover and build your email list database using Google search engine. Why you should start email marketing for better building your email list database. Did you know? Email marketing is 3 times more successful than social media. Recently email user is raising around the world as internet user increasing. It is best way to connect with internet user with email address. To connect the audience from around the world, and make your online business successful. Let's get started. Go to google.com, input any desired your targeted keyword plus your targeted location plus email at your targeted email host provider name. For example, if you're looking for dentist in USA, example dentist plus u.s.a plus email at gmail.com. Then press enter. You will get search result, then click on search setting on top right, check on use private results. Move cursor from 10 to 100 and save. Check on recaptcha. Copy all search result, then go to email extractor site. I have provided link in description. You will see input window and output window. Paste your result in input window. You can select option for how you want your email, separated, or inline. Select any desired option, then press extract. Copy and paste your email's results on any desired format, such as Notepad, Excel, or MS Word. Repeat all search result pages, copy and paste on extractor, and save your all emails to use on your email marketing. This is not a spam system. Please subscribe my channel for more future useful videos and share to your friends and family. Also don't forget to thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. You have a good day.